Hey guys, today we're going to talk about this off-road climbing car Dinosaur. Check it out. So here are some of the accessories that this toy comes with. Okay, so here's the remote control. This is how we turn it on right here. You see the little light is on to indicate that it is. And then if you want to go left or right, you move it here to left or right. If you want to go forward or back, you move it on this switch right here. And the batteries are back here. Batteries. We already inserted one, as you can see. And then you can put the lid, goes in like that. So each battery will give you up to 30 minutes of playtime. Here's the water. We're going to open the dinosaur head, which is located on the top. Just pull it out like so. And then you use this dinosaur water bottle that's provided. And you insert 4 to 5 drops. And when you're done, you put the cap back on and it's ready to go. Let's check it out. This all-terrain dinosaur climbing car is good for ages 6 and up. Thank you for watching.